Hi guys, I'm Marie-Christine Picard. It's really nice to have you on my channel. So I don't know if just like me, you've been struggling before starting your online business, or maybe you're already at that point that you're struggling, you don't know where to start. Well, I think I found a solution for you in order to stop looking around and start to grow your online business right now. So let's look at it today. So today I wanted to make a review about the Millionaire Shortcut ebook from Jeff Lerner. I found this ebook on internet and I can tell you it's been a total game changer. And I'm 100% honest with you today because while I found this ebook, I subscribed to Jeff Lerner's training because I really deeply trust him. Why do I trust him? Because he's a guy who started from scratch. He started actually more than from scratch. He started with $400,000 in debt. So what do you do when you're that much into debt? You have to find a solution for yourself. So it was about 10 years ago. It was like at some lowest point in his life, and he decided to find a solution in order to grow his online business and get out of debt. And guess what? He got out of debt in 18 months. He was able to pay out more than $400,000 in debt and started to build like really his legacy and start building his wealth. So I really deeply trust him because he's giving so much value in all his videos and all his trainings. So as soon as I jumped into his training through the ebook, it was awesome. So you're gonna go through this ebook. It's a 15-page ebook full of value. Every page has value, guys. So it's really nice. And if you really need to find a mentor, that's what he did at first. So he realized that really needed a mentor in order to grow. So he was looking around to find someone that could help him on his way to grow his online business. So if you're just like me, when I was at the beginning of my online business, I was really deeply looking for a mentor. So I found Jeff. And I can tell you, I think I'm really at the right place right now because Jeff has a whole team. So if you subscribe for Jeff, you subscribe for like 10 mentors. And it's really awesome, really available people, really accessible. When you post something in a community that you're going to join, when you join Entra, you're going to be part of a community that is really, really supportive, which is really important when you join an online business because you're going to be a lot alone in your office building your online business. You're not going to have like a whole team of 50 people to meet every morning. You're going to be mostly alone. So it's really important to join the right community that's going to support you when you have a lot of questions on the way, because for sure you have to put into work and you're going to have a lot of questions on the way. So if you have the right people to help you, then it's going to be much more easier. So Jeff, when he started his business, he had this aha moment. And I can tell you, with that training, I have so many aha moments because I tried to figure it out all by myself at the beginning. And it's hard, guys. It's because you don't know what's the psychology of Facebook and YouTube and Instagram, whatever platform you want to be on. You don't know how it works. So as soon as I joined this training, I was just like, aha, okay, that's why it was not working and now it works. So he had this aha moment when he started his business, when he found the right mentor. And actually what he realized is that to grow his online business, what he needed was just a good internet connection and a laptop. That's it. So in the ebook, you're going to find the what, the how, and the who. So what you need to grow your online business, how do you do that, and who you can refer to in order to grow. So in this ebook, you're going to find all his secrets. So all Jeff Lerner's secret in 15 pages ebook. So I really suggest you to click on the link below. You're going to have direct access. It's a free ebook. So you click on that link and you're going to receive it straight away into your mailbox. And I promise, guys, you're gonna have so much value from this ebook. It's just incredible. So I can tell it because I've been through that process, and it's really it's been a game changer for me, because as soon as you join a training, it's like a holistic approach where you need to set goals for your business, so professionally but physically and personally. So you really have to have like the best balance in your life in order to be happy with what you do and grow your online business with a great mindset. So I hope you enjoyed that. Give me some likes, give me some thumbs up, give me some love in the comments, please, guys. So it really encouraged me to post more stuff on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe and click on that little bell to receive some notification when I post new videos. So take care and have a really good day. Don't forget to click on the link below to start your awesome journey with your online business today. So ciao, have a really good day.